Alright, in this video I'll be testing the photo eye sensor with some of our code simultaneously with our actuator. Over here, as we can see, the photo eye is not detecting anything, so the LED is not blinking, and it is sending a signal to the Arduino that there's nothing there, there's 0 volts, no output. As we can see, I set up the step-down transformer 3 inches away as we need it, and it will send a signal to the Arduino, and from the Arduino to the actuator, telling it to expand and retract. As you can see the LED bar. If I move it away, the LED bar turns off and it shows that there is no signal. Now when the photo eye detects a signal, it will say something is found. It pauses for 4 seconds for the delay, and then starts the spraying mechanism and the actuator mechanism. Here is our 12-volt actuator. It is 6 inches long and expands also another 6 inches. Our connection for the controller show our positive and negative inputs, input power of 12 volts, our RC connection, and our common ground. And both the Arduino and the actuator have to have a common ground. Now, I set up the actuator to hold for 4 seconds, expand for 2.2 seconds, and retract in 2 seconds. So we will start a timer. Putting the signal, it will hold for around 4 seconds, expand, and retract. The right connection with 12 volts, and 12 volts is our output, which operates on for the actuator and for the pump. Alright, in this first video, we will first be testing the step-down transformer. First, we'll check that we're getting the right input voltage from our step-down transformer right here. And we can see that we have approximately 121 volts AC. And then we will switch it to DC. And set millivolts, 2 volts, 20 volts.
Okay. First, now that we've got the app up and running, we can see the level of the float sensor. It says 6 from a test I just run, but once I turn it on again, it will check the number, check the float sensor, and then check the app. And we can see it running. That was a bit too quick, but you can see the actuator going now that it's reading my hand still. So once it counts up again, pump to pump. Actuator goes again. It should go 10 more times, 6 more times. Should now be at 4. One problem we ran into is that eventually the car over the Bluetooth connection, the car's remaining link would freeze up. But as you see here on the serial monitor, it's gone down to 0 finally, and it will keep repeating because it's waiting for the next input.